Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can choose which app to show in Siri and Search on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Siri and Search. Now swipe up to go down to the apps section and select the app that you would like to show or hide in Siri and Search. So say if I open up Buddy Monitor in here, if you don't want Buddy Monitor to be used by Siri and Search, you can switch it off. So tap on Learn from this app. Allow Siri to learn from how you use the app. And you can also turn off while searching. You can switch it off. Or you can switch off suggestions for the app in Siri and Search. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.